In a previous episode, we harvested this beautiful bed of lettuce, and now we need to start some new seeds to put into the system. We are starting some Butter Crunch lettuce seeds. One is from Johnny Seeds, and the other one is from Ohio Heirloom Seeds. By no means this is a versus manufacturer against another manufacturer. It's just that I only have 25 of Johnny Seeds and I need to have 45 to fill the system. So I'm using the Ohio Heirloom Seeds. They're both Butter Crunch, so let's see how they do. All I'm gonna do is nestle them into some coco coir, give them a little spritz of water, and let nature take its course. We are also gonna harvest what's in the mini grow system and take a look at the chayote. And remember folks, cultivate kindness, one seed at a time, no matter where you go. must say, folks, this chayote is really slow growing. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.